you want to say hi to the vlog?
Hello.
Yeah, this is our apartment. We're still setting stuff up, and our third roommate is not getting here till later. Wait, I don't even think I've like started this vlog. Hang on. Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Aria. Yeah, we're still in the process of moving in. My parents just left to get us food. We're waiting for our third roommate, Kevin. Well, we're not waiting for him, but he's not coming.
He's waiting for us.
He is driving from New York, so he will be here tonight. Once my parents leave, we're gonna go to Target and get some more things. I'll do like it later in this vlog, like once after we go to Target and stuff, I'll do like an empty apartment tour. I'll like show like even just, well, I guess it won't be like totally empty, but I'll like show like around. Yeah, this is my room. I have southwest facing windows, which Brian was making fun of me, but I was really excited about because it means that I get good lighting, and I need good lighting to feel happy. There is quite a lot of construction outside. Hopefully you can't hear that. My room is nice. It's a little bit small. The thing that's annoying is this door. Like, we moved my desk so it doesn't hit, but now my desk is like awkwardly out right here. Sorry, this is like such a weird angle, but yeah, we're still just getting everything unpacked. If you're wondering why I had to leave my house at 4 a.m., it was because our move-in time slot, okay, what the fuck am I doing with my hair? Our move-in time slot was 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. So like and they said it was non-negotiable, and they did tell us kind of last minute. So I had to leave my house at like 4 in the morning because, well, I had to wake up at 4 and leave at 5 because I live like 3.5 hours away. But yeah, this is the room. My parents are gonna get us food, and then we're gonna go to Target later. I'm sure it'll be a good time. How are you feeling, Brian?
I'm doing great. I can't even start unpacking right now because I have literally no idea where to start. I'm just like so overwhelmed. So I'm just like taking a breather, just gonna wait it out.
Brian and I keep trying to unpack, and we like want to unpack, but we like can't.
We're overthinking everything.
Yeah, it really.
Literally, I'm like, how should I fold my shirts? Like this, how do I put them in? This is a big deal.
Yeah, I've hung up like 4 shirts, and I'm like really proud of myself for that because
4 is more than me.
Yeah. We just didn't feel like unpacking, so we're going to Target because we do have stuff that we need. I just didn't. I don't.
We don't have the energy.
Putting away clothes is so boring. It's weird because we're both like kind of like hyper, and we keep like pacing around the apartment, and we're like, oh, I should do this.
We have energy, we just don't have the mental energy.
Yeah, like we keep like having all these ideas, like I should put this away. I should put this away. Oh wait, what about this? I haven't unpacked this yet, and then we just don't do any of it.
You have to do it in a certain order, but I can't figure out what order that has to be.
Yeah. Yeah. So we're gonna go to Target. Struggling at Target because they're out of everything.
Literally everything's gone.
We want to get a Swiffer,
gone.
But they don't have them. We wanted to get trash cans, gone, except for one that's like $20, but like that's way too much.
Oh, it's because I have all 3 drawers out.
We're back home, still having the same issues, still feeling overwhelmed by packing. Oh, also, Brian and I are supposed to find out if we get into our major today. So that's fun, that's cute. They're supposed to tell us by 5 o'clock. It's 2:30 now. That's what my room is looking like. There's still shit everywhere because I'm indecisive and I don't know where to start.
Oh my god. I have this stuff, this like dry shampoo ready. Smell my hair.
It does smell really good.
It's like coconut.
I'm glad I was recording that one.
You were recording that.
Okay, this is the bathroom so far. We have my beautiful shower curtain. The only thing is the liner like isn't the same length. And also my bathtub did not come with a little drain plug. So I need to call him about that. There's Brian in his room. It's
making progress slowly.
slowly. This is my room right now. As you can see, it gets gorgeous lights. Don't worry, I will shut the blinds when I'm not here. My desk is still a disaster. Oh, I got this giant bottle of hand sanitizer at Target, so that's good. Kevin's still not here. And then this is our kitchen. We still haven't gotten groceries. We've just gone to Target. Brian just got this rug for his room. Guys, the lighting in my room is so good. I'm crying. We're sitting outside on our patio, but earlier we both got some very exciting news that we were in fact accepted into our computer science major. Brian, it's like his primary major, so he was like actually switching. Me, I was applying as a double major. We did in fact both get in, which is super exciting.
She got her email like 3 minutes before me, so
it
she
felt
was
like
or 3 minutes after me,
yeah.
so she was freaking out because it felt like a while.
Oh my god. I was like sitting there and was like, what the fuck is my email?
Oh, we shouldn't say
No,
that.
we should not say that. We went to Kroger and stuff, and it's honestly just been a lot to unpack, so we haven't. I'm really tired too. So I'm gonna continue this vlog until tomorrow, and I'll do like an apartment tour, and I'll also show you what my room is looking like. It's cute, and we love our apartment, and we just got a bunch of groceries.
We
We
had
just
family
had
dinner tonight.
We did. It was really cute. Do you want to say hi to my vlog?
Yo, what's poppin'?
That's our third roommate, Kevin. He does in fact exist. There he is.
Sunday morning rain is falling. Shred some cover, share some skin.
Hey guys, it's the next day. I decided to continue this vlog into today because I feel like yesterday was just really chaotic and I didn't really film everything that I wanted to. I've actually been up for a little bit. I just like got ready, FaceTime my mom. Brian and I are gonna go to Kroger in a little bit and get some more food because Kevin's mom took us grocery shopping yesterday, but she really wanted to like pay for all of this, which is so nice of her, but I didn't want to like bombard her with like all of the stuff that I wanted to buy because I'm vegetarian / vegan sort of, so I didn't want to like buy a bunch of stuff that only I was gonna eat. So we're gonna do that, and then once we get back and put everything away, I'll give you guys a little apartment tour. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna go see if Brian wants to say hi to the vlog. Kevin is at Walmart with his mom right now getting us a lamp for the living room because it did not come with one. I can't remember if I've said this already, but our apartment came like partially furnished. Like basically it came with like a couch, it came with like a dining room table, some chairs. Our bedrooms all came with desks, nightstands, dressers, and then a bed frame and a mattress. The mattress is really not comfortable though. I'm gonna get a mattress topper for sure. The furniture like does not match at all though. Like we all have like really different furniture in our bedrooms, which is like kind of random. That's okay. My room is still a disaster. This all looks really good, but like that's a mess. Behind me is kind of a mess. I have this whole bin of decorations that I still have not unloaded yet because I'm saving it for my bedroom makeover video. Do you want to say hi to the vlog?
Yeah. Come look at my desk. Hello.
There he is. Oh wait, here, let me show them.
Doesn't that look nice?
Oh, it does.
I'm not done yet. I haven't let it put on it. But
Yeah, I was telling them how like all of our furniture like is like completely different. Like his room came with, it's like this redwood, and he just put contact paper, and like his dresser came like that. But then if we go in my room, mine's like dark wood with silver. And then if we go in Kevin's room, which I probably should ask him first, but I'm not going to. And then his is glass, so it's all kind of random. But Brian just put his
I love
contact
my
paper.
glass. Yeah.
It looks really nice.
Thank you. I was gonna get a big mouse pad that was black, but that just like cover up, and this is so pretty, and the mouse works fine on this. So
I'm really impressed. The wood grain like blends like because there's actually 2 sheets. It like blends like really nicely.
Right? Because it's so many lines.
Oh, hi, come on in. Welcome to my apartment. I live here by myself. I have no roommates, not at all. It's just me. I don't know who this person is. This is my house, but this is the living room. Our apartment did come with some furniture. This couch is very firm. Like, I feel like a child, just like my feet don't like, you just kind of barely, you know.
You are a child.
This is our lovely porch area. If you ever want to break in, the lock doesn't work. As you can see out here, we have some lovely chairs. Over here we have this beautiful view of the city skyline. I mean, just wow, look at that. Incredible. These wicker chairs are very beat up because they're from my house and my cat is obsessed with them. As you can see, they are quite weathered down. Yeah, let's come back to the inside. Gonna lock it even though there's no point because you can break in. It came with the TV, which is nice. Over here we have our dining room. Very nice. Right here we have our iconic chalkboard wall. This is probably the most important thing we'll ever put on there. Through here we have a kitchen. We have quartz countertops and Subway's high backsplash. HDTV is quaking, and of course I have to show them. There are no slam cabinets. You see that? Or like, look at the drawers.
And the drawers.
Like, wow,
Amazing.
truly incredible. Over here, we have our pantry that is already quite full. We have some bar stools. This is our trash can because they're out of them everywhere. We have big coffee maker, the small coffee maker. This is like the don't talk to me or my son ever again. We have a very loaded freezer.
Yeah, just a bit.
Just a bit. I just had some waffles earlier. I'm not going to show you the fridge because there's... We also have this really nice like hardwood floor all throughout the apartment. The only thing is they did not clean it before we moved in, and so our socks were all black. You know, it's okay. We'll take it. We'll take it. Coming along this way. This is our laundry room. Brian's doing his laundry right now.
Got some shelving.
Wow.
Amazing.
It's really amazing. We all brought laundry detergent, so we're never gonna This is Kevin's room. Do you want to say hi to my...
What's going on?
Scott?
He matches his comforter.
He really
And
does.
rug. And socks.
Wow.
You gotta stick with the theme.
We'd love to see it. I'll show you Brian's room and then we'll do... Oh wait, actually we should do my bathroom. This is my... That's not bad.
sweetie.
I know my own bathroom. It's, as you can see, it's pretty spacious in here, but I don't know who the fuck thought that they should paint this yellow,
Disgusting.
but they did. Also, I don't have a drain, so
There's also 3 handles. A little confusing.
it's also dripping and there's nothing I can do. Under the sink, they gave me a random shower head, even though I already have one in there.
In case you want to switch.
Oh, it has a setting called Niagara.
Well, that's the same one we have in ours.
Oh. Wow, so cute. We come this way. This is Brian's room. Brian has the master bedroom.
I have a good sign right there.
He does, yes. Very nice cozy rug.
Very soft.
Super soft.
Desk.
Yes.
LED lights. Gotta have the LED lights.
And then this nice dresser. Right, here's the closet, and there's just another bathroom back there. We don't really need to show that though, because it's not my bathroom, so I don't care about it. And then we come over to my room. I have this nice entryway. And then this is my bed. I have southwest facing windows, which means I get really good light. It's really important. This is my box of decorations that I haven't unboxed yet because I'm indecisive. And I'm saving it for my bedroom makeover video because I'm doing one for sure. I brought this lamp from home. I also brought this one. Right here I have all my jewelry. That's my Alexa.
She's still activated.
And then I have my essential oils. My oil diffuser is in that bin somewhere. I have these 2 dresser things under my bed, which is nice. And then this is my closet. It's a little bit messy because I kind of just threw some bags in there, but not too bad. The weirdest thing here, the hanger rod is like back here. So you have to hang your clothes like that. So bizarre. I keep wanting to do it the wrong way. And then right here we have my desk. Not that exciting yet. This drawer is really messy because I don't have desk organizers. Yeah, so this is our apartment. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I have no idea how I'm gonna edit this together. This might be a little bit of a mess, but that's okay. That's a problem for future Aria to deal with. My future Aria, I mean like tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe for my bedroom makeover because it's gonna be great.
Soon.
I'm shooting to be done with it by like October.
Not that soon then, just kidding.
Coming in like a few weeks, hopefully. Yeah, I'm gonna do a first day of school vlog, which should be interesting because we're all online. Thanks for watching. Bye. And then I always go like that.
Everything I say you're gonna cut out. I already know it. You're gonna cut this out too.